Hey learners, hope you guys are doing good. Do you know why to study statistics? Statistics help us to see some patterns in the data. It helps us to, make some decision, even predict future outcome by using data. That's why studying statistics is really so important nowadays. Let's understand this with a very simple example. Right now, people are saying gold prices are shooting up. But if I ask, how do you really know that gold prices are shooting up, gold prices are increasing? So to know that, I'll go back and I'll find data of last 5 years. Let's take an example. I have taken data from 2020 to 2025. By looking at this 5 years of data, I can see whether prices are really going up or not. Or what I can do, if I want to check the trend within this year, so I'll take data from January till this November month, right, till this week, and I'll check, I'll try to see whether gold prices are varying month by month or not. So I have analyzed this data in R. Let's see and try to understand how statistically using tool we can see visually also. I created data with the file name for gold year table 1, and I'm uploading this data is in R, and I'm giving the name called as a goldie. Okay, so let me run this data. I need to click here and then I will run this. You can see in the environment window data got loaded. Now if I want to see the data, I can click this name, data frame name, and you can see 5 years data I have created from 2020 to 2025. And you can see the price. Let's say for example 24 carat 10 gram gold price are like 48, it was in 2020 48,600 some change. Now it is next year it got increased a little, then 2022 went to 52, and then in 2023 it was 65, and then 2024 77, and in 2025 you can see 1,20,000, right? So you can see if you compare with the 2020, it got almost more than double. By seeing this data, I'm trying to calculate the calculation I'm using in my brain that it got more than double. Now if you want to see visually, I have written code directly here, you can see in R. So let me run this. I'm going to run this data, and you can see here the graph, and you can, okay, the difference you can see from 2024 and 2025. If you want to see in terms of lines, we can run this and you can see this graph. You can see the gold prices per 10 gram, and you can see here I have taken 2020 till 2025. You can see some change. In 2020 it was very little change. We have seen that 48,000 some change, right? And then it is growing up little, and then directly you can see in 2024 how it is, how this line is going up. So almost lower than 80 the price was, and it reached to more than 20, 1,20,000. So this is what we are doing. We are doing some calculations, right? And if you want to check the month data, that also I have loaded here, the month data. And then I just here given the to consider as a factor, and I should so that I should able to give the order. I don't want that it should consider alphabetic order like A B, otherwise it will give first April, August, and then, so I want the month should be start from January and February, so I need to label them, and I have labeled them. And now I am using my month data here, and if I will calculate that, you can see the bars, right? So this is the data of the months in 2025. So it is, you can see that in January it was 75, then in February it got increased, likewise going up and going down. If you want to see the line plot, so you can run this data and you can see. You can see here how the gold prices are varying within this year month by month. So you can see here on x-axis we have month, and then y we have prices, and it was in January lower than 80,000, then it nearby 85,000, then more than 85,000, then more than 90,000, and then it is going up. In the month of June, it went to more than 1,50,000 around, and then it came down, and then after that it is going up. And in this month of November, we have seen that prices are more than 1,20,000, right? So right now price is 1,22,000. It can vary a little. So I hope you understood this and how we are able to undo that, because I know statistics, and with the help of, I'm gathering the evidence and I'm trying to see whether really is making sense or not. And visually, why I'm doing that, so that I can explain to anybody else as well. So that's exactly statistics is all about. So, knowingly, unknowingly, whenever you are trying to analyze some information based on the given data, you are trying to make some decision based on the evidence, then you are already using statistics. Studying statistics is really so important. I hope you understood now why to study statistics. Thank you.